Okay, you've now accessed the BingX partner page. Your commission rate is 50%. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up as an affiliate for BingX and earn the top commission of 50%. Normally, if you refer to the standard rate of the platform, it's only 10%. But if you sign up through my link, you'll get 50%. And if you perform well, I could also arrange for you to get a real cash bonus sent directly to your UID in USD, no trading volume required. Below this video, you'll find the link to this article. Scroll down, click the link, and it will take you to this page. Scroll down to the pink sign here and click here to register. After you register your account, here's my contact information. Just send me an email or simply write a message to activate the affiliate partner program of BingX, and that's it. After you've registered, you don't need to do anything else, just register the account. I can even bump you up to a max commission of 50%. Then click here to register and OK. Now create your account and password, click register. After filling in your email and password, press register and then the BingX platform will email you. Check your email to get the code, copy this TB code, log out here and OK, now your account registration is successful. You can use the IG account's UID directly. No need for an IG tree. Here's the UID. Now compose an email to send via Telegram or Facebook. I'll draft a message to this email. Leave the subject blank. Here's the message template. Simply put this BingX UID goes back, sign X, copy this UID. Then you can also click on the human figure above here. It will show a rate for those friends. Enter your simple UID here, click send, and that's OK. OK, I've activated it successfully. Then you will click here to enter the partner section of BingX, then re-enter this email and password. This will be the page that the BingX partner refers to as the partner hub. Click login, then choose the correct image here. These three images are first. This bell is not named. This comment is OK. Then you click get code to go back and verify this. Then you will also receive an email from BingX saying that you have been activated on this BingX partner site, and there is also a link for you to log in. Here is the code. Then you'll return to the BingX partner page and continue. Okay, now you've accessed the BingX partner page. Your commission rate is 50%. This is your BingX referral link to send to customers. On the BingX website or app, you'll find the Partner Hub section. When you download the Binance app, you'll see a Partner Hub on the home screen. The interface looks like this on your phone. You can download the Binance app and log in to view your account info. If you want to register for other exchanges, you can do so right here in this post. Register for Bybit, Mexi, Gate.io, OKX, or BitGet. Click register and send me your UID and I'll boost your commission to the max.